Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Compass Sport in white clear coat. With halogen quad headlamps, deep tinted sunscreen glass, 16-inch silver painted aluminum wheels, exterior mirrors with heating element, black daylight opening moldings, incandescent tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, SELEC-TERRAIN system, Uconnect 3 with 5-inch display, Park View rear backup camera, Bluetooth streaming audio, electric park brake, rear 60/40 folding seat, second row remote USB port, reversible carpet and vinyl cargo mats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5447.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.